Greeting to all of you. My name is Shilpi Tyagi, and here I want to share my fabulous experience of Oxford with all of you. I got very special classes by Mr. Deepak Sharma, and I improved myself a lot. I recommend you, as he's also giving some spiritual classes too, to make people to improve positively their personality. So I also took that classes, and I found myself very positive day by day, and I really improved. I used to be little negative about myself, about my looks or life, but while taking his class I improved myself a lot. I also want to recommend you to take these classes by Mr. Deepak Sharma and improve yourself, live your life. That's it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Zishan and I would like to give a huge shout out to Deepak sir and Oxford English Hut for making English language learning easy and accessible and fun for everyone. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Swati and I'm here to ignite you about Oxford English Hut. I am really thankful to this institute and especially one person who has given his 100% in every student he is working with, he is dealing with. He has understood us in the most special manner to understand the background of different children. Thank you so much, Deepak sir. Deepak sir, we really admire you. And thank you for correcting the pronunciation. Thank you for enhancing our vocabulary skills, and also when we build our sentences. So friends, whoever is watching this video, now it's your turn to take your call for Oxford English Hut. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Dashan and I would like to inform you that I am working with one of the leading banks in India and all over the world with American Express. And when I completed my graduation, I was facing difficulties speaking in English and communicating with my customers and to my clients. However, when I joined Oxford English Hut, I was able to grab and learn more how I can gain that confidence and to speak in English in a better way. And all thanks to my teacher, Mr. Deepak Sharma, that he helped me a lot in this. And the best part of Mr. Sharma is that he's very, very, motivating and encouraging. His teaching, the way he teaches, very different, and that's how I was able to make myself successful, I must say, through Oxford English Hut. So I would recommend you guys that you should join and start learning and gain more confidence for the opportunities that are blocked in your way, through which you will be able to succeed and get more success. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. This is Jemima Joseph, and I really want to thank Oxford English Hut for improving and grooming my personality as well as my communication skills. And I especially want to thank Deepak Sharma. He's very kind and very cooperative. So if you want to groom yourself and improve your communication skills, so I would prefer you to go and contact Oxford English Hut. Thank you.
Hello guys, I hope you must be fine. Well, this is Deepak Sharma, and on behalf of Oxford English Hut, I would like to welcome you all. Thank you so much guys for watching us and for being with us. Well, as I told you, my name is Deepak Sharma, and today I'm here to give you a small introduction about me and about my place, Oxford English Hut. Oxford English Hut, well, it's not just a name, it has a history of teaching thousands of students for their problems and requirement of planning English courses. And here for last 15 years we have been teaching many students from their weakest side to advanced side, and that's the reason this place has become more special, more popular here. And today I am here to give you a strong speech, strong recommendations. Please do join if you are having problem in English language. Do join our courses, especially our basic course of English grammar and communications. if you want to start your classes from zero level. I'm sure if you take classes here, your all problems will be solved and you will never be disappointed. Don't believe us? For demo classes, please keep on watching our some videos that we have already uploaded in YouTube and in other platform, in our app also, Oxford English Hut. So guys, I want to see you in the classroom. I want to lead you. I want to give you all possible help and support. If you are seeking and if you are looking for the best statement, better join Oxford English.